Hi, to change keyboard language on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, open settings, and here we need to search for the additional settings. Now after that, go in the keyboard and the input, and right here select manage keyboards. After that, on the top of the screen you can see your current keyboard. In my case it is Gboard and its language. So you need to tap it, and now you can customize your keyboard as you wish, but we are interested in changing and adding another languages. So let's go in this tab, select to add language, and choose one language from the list. For example, let's select Czech. So simply tap it. Here you can also enable this tab, and you can switch to any other option from the list of appearance. So now just tap the done button and this language will be added to your keyboard's list. So let's check it. For that, just press this icon, this globe icon, and now you can see how it switches between the English and Czech. So that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.